So today's the day I get crochet braids, my first time, and I'm going to someone who, this is her first time doing someone else outside of her family. I'm taking a chance because I just want to see how it is in my hair. I'm prepping my hair right now. I need to keep my hair thick and not straightened because my hair is thin. So anytime I get braids in my hair, it tends to rip my hair. So I have to keep it thick, and at times they do have to add hair in when they're cornrowing it. And this time I think they're adding yarn, so we'll see how that goes. Prepping my hair, I just make sure it's all combed out, it's not knotted or anything. It looks like it's knotted, but it's not. I can comb it through. But I just have to keep it thick. I'm gonna pull it back when I get there. So we'll see how it goes. I've been natural since 2003, and I'm going to talk about my journey on another video, but you're always learning about your hair. It never ends. There's always something new to learn because everybody's hair texture, hair design, their follicles, everything is different. So not every product that works for you works for somebody else. So I've learned that. So I know my hair is thin. I combed out my curls. I wish I should have took a picture with my curls, but I'll probably inject it here. So you see the picture. That's how my curls look. So it would be hard to braid it like that, so I had to comb it out. So when I comb it out, this is what happens. Yep, so that's what I'm going to do later on. So you're going to see the process of, you know, people who are interested in black hair, white people want to see what we go through. Yeah, you have to take into consideration the texture of your hair, what you have to do before you get the braids, and it's not just boom, get the braids in. Yeah, there's a process to it. Make sure that it's as moisturized as possible because it's going to be under hair for quite some time. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. So I'm on my way now to my appointment to get my hair crochet braided. Taking a bus. So this is the beginning stages of me getting crochet braids. As you can see, my hairstylist. Say hi. Hi. Is cornrowing my hair. I have to put in the yarn because my hair is thin. Thicken it up so that my hair doesn't break. Finished product. It's a bit puffy, but I normally when I get braids fresh in my hair or well, this is my first time doing crochet. Anytime I get braids in my hair, I ran out, so I had to use brown. It's puffy in the beginning, but after a while I just have to tie it down, and as it get used to it, starts to fall. So it'll fall better soon, I'm sure. It's different. It's gonna take some getting used to, especially all this up in my face. But I like it. I just took a picture of myself.